Ladies and gentlemen, gentlefolk and adventurers, welcome once again to the Eldalore Chronicles. In our second chapter, we journey deeper into the heart of the Ardent Wastes, where the sands whisper secrets and dreams come alive amidst the scorching sun. Ah, my friends, a place where dreams and reality entwine like lovers' fingers. Imagine, if you will, a hidden sanctuary nestled amidst the relentless dunes, a tranquil oasis that stands as a testament to nature's magic and purpose. The Mirage Oasis is more than just a paradise. It's a source of life and magic, a beating heart in the vast, sun-scorched chest of the Ardent Wastes. Its purpose, you ask? To protect and preserve the delicate balance of this harsh land, my friends. These guardians are known for their tranquil countenance, draped in robes that mirror the hues of the oasis itself. With a flick of their hands, they wield the power of illusions, concealing the oasis from those who would seek to plunder its precious magic. Theirs is a sacred duty to ensure the waters remain pure and untainted. But what of the oasis's citizens, you wonder? Ah, diverse as the sands themselves. The Mirage Oasis draws a tapestry of races, from the resilient sandstrider nomads to the ever-curious Iridian archaeologists, all brought together by the life-sustaining waters that flow here. At the heart of this oasis stands a leader of wisdom and grace, the Grand Druid Thalara Oasisbearer. A revered figure, she not only safeguards the waters, but also serves as a diplomat, tirelessly seeking harmony among the tribes of the Ardent Wastes. The Mirage Oasis isn't merely a sanctuary, it's a vital cog in the machinery of the Ardent Wastes, a neutral ground where tribes and regions converge to trade, negotiate, and celebrate their shared heritage. It's where disputes find resolution, alliances are forged, and cultures merge like colors on an artist's canvas. Not all is as serene as it seems. For this oasis, with its enchanting waters and magical aura, is not merely a tranquil haven. It is a sentinel of balance in the tumultuous Ardent Wastes. You see, the Ardent Wastes are a realm where conflicts brew like sandstorms on the horizon. Tribes vie for territory and resources, while old grudges fester in the shadows. Yet, amidst this turmoil, the Mirage Oasis plays a role that is nothing short of miraculous. The Oasis Guardians, those wise stewards of the Mirage Oasis, they hold the delicate threads of unity in their hands. Theirs is a duty that extends beyond mere preservation. It is one of mediation and diplomacy. When disputes arise and the tribes of the Ardent Wastes find themselves locked in conflict, they turn to the Mirage Oasis. Under the canopy of palm groves, amidst the soothing sounds of flowing waters, they gather to seek resolution. The waters of the Mirage Oasis are said to possess a mystical quality, a quality that compels those who drink from them to see the bigger picture, to understand that their disputes pale in comparison to the grand tapestry of the Ardent Wastes. How does this oasis find its place in the grand tapestry of Serpent's Haven, the capital city of the Ardent Wastes, you ask? Well, my friends, the Oasis Guardians hold a seat at the council chambers, a place where representatives from every corner of the Ardent Wastes gather to discuss matters of governance. Thus, my friends, the Mirage Oasis keeps a delicate balance not only by protecting its magical waters, but by serving as a crucible of unity. It is a place where disputes are laid to rest, alliances are forged, and the tribes of the Ardent Wastes find common ground amidst the shifting sands of destiny. As we draw the curtains on our tale of the Mirage Oasis, remember, my friends, that in the heart of the Ardent Wastes, where the sands whisper secrets and dreams come alive, there exists a place where illusions dance and magic thrives, a place that binds the tribes together and offers hope amidst the ever-shifting desert. The Mirage Oasis, a sentinel of unity, a guardian of balance, and a sanctuary of dreams. But dear travelers, do not wander far, for our journey through Eldalore's enchanting realms has only just begun. Next week, I shall regale you with the tale of the ruins of Iridia, a place where ancient spells still linger, where the past reaches out to touch the present, and where the very essence of magic itself awaits discovery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any episodes. Until we meet again under these hallowed rafters, may your dreams be as enchanting as the Mirage Oasis, and your hearts as steadfast as the sands of Eldalore.